We're gonna find the immigration arrivals area now, and we're gonna make a little arrivals video in Paris when arriving with Scandinavian Airlines or an international airline other than Air France.
It's a different terminal of last.
It's different from last time. This is an international terminal. Ooh, looking like arcade games over there. Maro is going to put on the what? The view outside. Well, I'm not quite sure whether to show inside. This is the inside view. Gate area, and there we have the terminal. The colors we were looking at. Got some lovely PlayStations over here also. And we have the colorful terminal again. The colors of France. Exit baggage, we're just following the signs above us, as you can see. Left to exit, baggage area. And it's like Copenhagen. Just go straight past this area, looks like a security area. Here, over here. And down to the right we go. We're not past the security, and we're going down these stairs. It's very quick. Yeah, it's lovely.
Escalator moving. Please hold
Very nice. Funny escalator, a little bit down. Hopefully you can see this on the video.
Well, it's the same as in Copenhagen when you come up from the
Yeah, it is. Very warm terminal and very long, and it looks like we go straight now and then it goes upwards again at the end. A lot of advertisements on the wall promoting Paris. And very efficient walking way. A little upward bend comes here in a moment. It's passing by. A little bit of speed on. You can also, if you prefer, you can also walk along the sides. It's rather nice. No. Maybe we can pass a little bit also. And we're going uphill again. And we got some movement. Again, you can see the hallway ahead of us. Waiting for some people who apparently don't want to move out the way. Now the line is moving again. And you can see some more signs. Flight connection straight ahead. Baggage straight ahead. And it looks like the baggage exit is an uphill walk. This is the terminal I was at 25, 30 years ago when I flew from here to South Africa. It's very cementy, beton, what do you call that, concrete?
Are we going up again?
We're going up again, yeah. Let's get there. Follow. I don't think I'm going to film all the way up because as you can see it's a very slow movement. People are just standing blocking the aisles. And you can see why the building is around here. And up we go. I think I'll just... No, it's not. I'll just cut the video here till we get to the end. Or maybe we'll show you a bit around the sides.
It's nice anyway, I like it.
Yeah, it's a nice airport. Yeah. Quite a network of escalators. See, it's up here, I said. I believe. Yeah, China's leaving over there. It's a very cool terminal near the city. Baggage service, let's see. It's the end here. And once again, we're able to walk. Baggages is over to the right. There's a big sign ahead of us. we turn right.
Here.
Baggage to the right. Oh, here's the baggage area. What? Indeed, it is. Baggage. Just checking the sign here. Baggage sign says Copenhagen, 7 o'clock, and it's at baggage counter number 2. So Maro's going to lead the way to baggage counter number 2. Maybe we should get a trolley first. They're down there.
I don't think we need trolley.
We don't need trolley?
Yes, I'll go on the trolley.
Yeah? Oh, and I forgot to mention our baggage covers that we were advertising in one of our other videos. We don't have it on these luggages because the size, we use city luggage, which is a smaller size compared to the other luggage, which is a larger size we use for the longer trips. So our luggage covers don't fit on our city holiday covers, and that's why they're not on our luggage today. We're just heading over for baggage number 2. Apparently it's already running. Copenhagen.
From there, so we stay.
Yeah, good position.
So I don't know if they come out from there.
Yeah. Let's see.
Maybe it's better to go around the corner. You're lucky to say.
And there comes the first piece of luggage. Yep, I was just going to grab that one. And there we go. There's one and there's number 2. Maro's just going to grab that one. And we're good to go.
Yes.
Yep, so well done. Luggage gotten, baggage belts, and we are out of here.
Yes. I can take mine, you can take yours.
French word for exit is what, Maro? The French word for exit is what? Sortie. And here we go. So if you put a little bit more oomph into your stride, or I'll slow down a little bit. There's a nice Wi-Fi area. Got a baggage area here. And I'm just following Maro. And we're going to do a quick sneak in here, in between everybody else. And there we go. Security control or the customs area is coming up, so I'll turn the camera off straight ahead of me. And I'll turn around again once we've been through. And here we go. We have arrived at Paris Charles de Gaulle. And this is what it's going to look like. The people standing and waiting to welcome you. Maro's got her speed on again. Yeah, there's a Marks and Spencer if we need snacks. So if you arrive here, taxis, buses, car rental, group coaches are straight ahead. Transports ahead. There's some money exchange over there to my right. We've already changed money. Marks and Spencer's if you get here late and you think you're going to be needing some snacks in the evening at your hotel. If the places are closed. Looks like sandwiches, €6.50 for a sandwich. And I'm just following Maro ahead. And I think either we're going to take a taxi or we're going to see what a group coach is. A shared sort of shuttle into the city. So I hope you're following me along here. Those of you who are going to be arriving at this particular terminal, this is what it looks like. There's some renter cars over here to my left. Also on my left up ahead. Maro's way ahead of me. I'm just following past the rental car here. Taxis to the left, group coaches straight ahead. And the taxi area is out here. See the aircraft out there too. It's a lovely view. There's the taxi line is that way straight ahead.
Online it was like a 65 euros.
Yeah, it says there. Let's have a look at the prices. We can show our viewers also where we're going to.
Well, we're going to Paris.
Yeah, but where? What area are we in?
Left bank, 55.
55. Flat rate for service to Paris, surcharge included. 55 euros it costs.
There's some extra charges probably on top of that.
Charge, compulsory pickup charge, minimum fare 7, tariffs fare based. Well, I'm sure we'll be surprised and it will cost a lot more than 55. Should we go in and take a taxi?
Yeah, left bank, 55.
So, then we go to the taxi area. Taxis are all parked down there, as you can see. Here we go, straight ahead to the queue, and from there we should get our taxi, which means we're probably going to be ending off the video here. Thanks for walking with us through the airport. Thanks for flying with us. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like down below. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing for more videos like this and a whole lot of other type of content. Thanks for flying with us. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye from Maro. Bye bye from Maxi also. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.